If your Amazon Echo Studio is showing a flashing red ring, don't worry. This isn't a hardware failure. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, take a look at the top of your Echo Studio. If you see a solid or flashing red ring, check for the microphone off button. It's the button with a microphone icon crossed out. Press this button once. If the microphone was muted, the red ring should disappear immediately, and Alexa will respond to your voice again. Now try saying, "Alexa, what's the weather today?" If Alexa responds, your issue is solved. But what if the red ring stays on? Try unplugging the Echo Studio from the power outlet. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow the device a minute or two to restart completely. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.